Traveling is not about spending money, it's about creating unforgettable experiences and memories. The most cherished recollections frequently originate from the most unforeseen locales, even those that don't burn a hole in your pocket. You see, economical travel is more than simply saving pennies. It's a portal to distinct, bona fide experiences, an opportunity to diverge from the typical tourist routes and genuinely immerse yourself in a plethora of cultures. Today, we're highlighting the top 10 most affordable places to visit in 2024. So, buckle up as we commence our voyage to the 10 most cost-effective destinations of 2024. Starting off our list at number 10 is the charming Southeast Asian nation of Cambodia. A treasure trove of culture and history, Cambodia's allure lies in its rich heritage and warm people. From bustling markets selling traditional Khmer handicrafts to local eateries offering flavorful Cambodian cuisine, your dollar stretches far in this vibrant country. Explore centuries-old temples, relax on pristine beaches, or delve into the country's past. From the historic Angkor Wat to the vibrant streets of Phnom Penh, Cambodia offers an affordable and unforgettable journey. At number 9, we find ourselves in the heart of South America, Bolivia. With its affable exchange rates and low living costs, your dollar stretches further here. Bolivia is a treasure trove of culture, brimming with colorful markets and vibrant festivals. And let's not forget the attractions. From the surreal Uyuni salt flats, the world's largest, to the lush Amazon rainforests. Bolivia offers an unforgettable journey that's kind to your wallet. With its rich culture and breathtaking landscapes, Bolivia is a budget traveler's dream. Coming in at number 8 is the picturesque land of Vietnam. Here, your dollars stretch further than the Mekong River. Immerse yourself in the rich culture from the bustling markets of Ho Chi Minh City to the tranquil temples of Hanoi. Don't miss out on Ha Long Bay's breathtaking limestone islands or the well-preserved architecture of Hoi An ancient town. And let's not forget the irresistible street food that adds a flavorful punch to your journey. From delicious street food to stunning landscapes, Vietnam is a feast for the senses without breaking the bank. Next up, at number 7, we have the diverse and vibrant country of India. This destination is a treasure chest of experiences that won't burn a hole in your pocket. From the awe-inspiring Taj Mahal to the sun-kissed beaches of Goa, India offers a kaleidoscope of cultures, cuisines, and climates. You can indulge in spicy street food or participate in colorful local festivals, all while staying within your budget. India, with its rich history and diverse culture, offers an affordable travel experience that is second to none. At number 6, we find ourselves in the tropical paradise of Honduras. This Central American gem is a treasure trove of culture, history, and natural beauty, all without breaking the bank. Immerse yourself in the rich heritage of the Mayan civilization with breathtaking ruins. Or, if you prefer, unwind on the country's stunning beaches, kissed by the Caribbean sun. The affordability of Honduras makes it a perfect destination for the discerning traveler. Whether it's exploring ancient ruins or relaxing on pristine beaches, Honduras offers a budget-friendly getaway. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we find ourselves in the beautiful country of Bulgaria. This Eastern European treasure is teeming with rich culture, ancient history, and eye-catching attractions. The affordability of Bulgaria is truly remarkable. Imagine indulging in the tranquility of the Rila Monastery, or basking on the sandy beaches of the Black Sea without breaking the bank. Bulgaria, with its rich history and scenic beauty, is a hidden gem for budget travelers. Coming in at number 4 is the mountainous nation of Nepal. A gem nestled between China and India, Nepal's rich cultural heritage and breathtaking landscapes are as inviting as its low living costs. Imagine sipping Nepalese tea in the vibrant city of Kathmandu, or testing your mettle against the towering heights of Mount Everest. The country's myriad attractions are matched only by its affordability, making it a paradise for budget explorers. From trekking in the Himalayas to exploring ancient temples, Nepal offers an affordable adventure of a lifetime. At number 3, we find ourselves in the historic nation of Ukraine. A treasure trove of culture and stunning landscapes, Ukraine woos travelers with its affordability. Immerse yourself in the vibrant city life of Kiev, teeming with impressive architecture and enticing cuisine. Venture into the Carpathian Mountains, where the embrace of nature comes without a hefty price tag. Ukraine, with its rich history and natural beauty, offers a unique and budget-friendly travel experience. Just missing out on the top spot, at number 2 we have the vibrant country of Guatemala. This Central American gem offers an incredible bang for your buck. boasting a beautiful blend of indigenous culture and Spanish colonial influence. Explore the ancient Mayan ruins or bask in the serene beauty of Lake Atitlan. Local markets are brimming with vibrant textiles, fresh produce, and unique handicrafts, all at unbeatable prices. With its rich Mayan heritage and stunning landscapes, Guatemala is an affordable paradise for travelers. And finally, the most affordable travel destination in 2024 is the South Asian nation of Bangladesh. Known for its rich culture and vibrant traditions, Bangladesh offers a captivating mix of experiences without breaking the bank. From exploring the majestic Sundarbans, the world's largest mangrove forest, to immersing in the pulsating life of its capital Dhaka, you're in for an adventure. And let's not forget the warm hospitality of its people. From its bustling cities to its serene landscapes, Bangladesh offers an unbeatable travel experience for those on a budget. And there you have it, the top 10 cheapest destinations to visit in 2024. From the ancient temples of Cambodia to the bustling markets of Bangladesh, each location offers unique experiences that won't leave your wallet empty. The joy of budget travel is not just saving money, but experiencing the rich cultures, scenic landscapes, and warm hospitality these countries offer. Remember, travel is not about the expense, but the experience. So go out there and create some unforgettable memories without breaking the bank. Until next time, safe travels.